Hey, Assalamu alaikum. So today I would like to spread out a message as for how can you improve your communication skill, especially English. So from my experience, from my own experience that I faced, and even I knew something that it's my journey. From my journey, I already knew something that gonna share with you today. So it's really crucial video. Never miss this video until its end. Okay. First of all, English. How can you learn English? So what is the main secret of learning? So if you want to learn, then you have to be a good instead of good speaker. At first, the first step is that you have to be a good listener. Whenever you are a good listener, it means that you have passed one step, and this step will bring you to become a fluent speaker. I mean, it will help you to speak out. Whenever we can hear, and after hearing, if we observe, we can understand what the I can say our speaker saying. If we can understand, and if we are imitating, that will help us to boost up our communication skill. Suppose we can learn this language various ways, such as listening, or if you are educated person, you can study on it. But if we talk about any children, how they are learning, they are listening. After that, they are imitating, they try to speak out. So finally they become speaker. So this way, we can also follow this step. Listening is literally crucial. It's I can say it's really mother of speaking. So so if you want to learn English or any language, you have to listen it fast. That's gonna help you to boost up your English or your communication skill. So it's gonna enhance your productivity, and you can easily learn this language. So from my own experience, I'm sharing right now. When I was literally weak at English, at the time I have listened lot of music. I can say English music sometimes. Story, short story, classical story, or whatever. That thing I I love. And those things I listen a lot. I watch a lot of video for my listening skill. So after that, I have tried a lot that how to elaborate, how to speak out, and I imitated with them. So that's gonna help me a lot to speak out right now. So it's not that I can say it's not really rocket science for speak out. It's really piece of cake. It will be really piece of cake if you try every day, if you listen, and if you try to imitate after listening how they are pronouncing, how they are saying. So it's gonna help you to boost up your English. So by the way, the bird is disturbing me because they are sleeping. Still I am here. It's you can see this is a field. It's beside me. I'm right now sitting on boat, and beside me is at least water and many things. So that's why the bird is I still am natural place. That's why the bird is sleeping outside and they're making sound. So never forget that listening. Okay, so try to listen podcast or whatever you love. If you love a short story or any, I can say, musical lyrics, you can follow, or whatever. I can say you can also watch English related video that's gonna help you to fulfill your dreams. Okay, so that's all for now. So there is no shortcut except facing some issues. First of all, you may face some difficulties whenever you are the starting point. You may face some difficulties, but day by day you may get your perfection. So that's all for now. See ya. Okay.